Hey, Phottix fans! Welcome to another amazing unboxing video with yours truly, Steve from Phottix. S to the T to the EVO. I'm in the house and opening up this Phottix Kali150 to see what's inside the box. This is one of our smallest LEDs and it's super cool. Fits right in your pocket. This has completely adjustable brightness and color temperature, a CRI of 95 plus, has the barn doors, gels, and a diffuser panel included. This will run on battery, which are Sony compatible batteries, and AC power. And even better, the battery and the battery charger are included with this. So pick this up and you're good to go. Again, color temperature 3200 to 5600, maximum brightness 1000 lux at half a meter, power consumption 15 watts. Total weight without the battery is 346 grams. That is small. This will slip right into your back pocket. Completely portable and discreet. All right, what's inside? We got the box. Bada bing. Okay, inside we have the usual standard instructions. Colored special effects gels. We have the Kali150 itself. We have a USB to micro USB cable, battery charger, Sony compatible NPF battery, as well as a cold shoe adapter. Let's take a look at this bad boy and see what we have. So we have the Kali150, barn doors. And as you can see, I don't know, there's no frame of reference here as to how big my hands are, but this is a very small little unit. Very cute. This is all metal construction as well. This is aviation grade aluminum. Okay, so we have the Sony battery. This snaps into place. I'm just going to hit the power button and on it goes. This is on color temperature mode right now. You can see it's set at 32, which is 3200. On the back here we have a few different buttons. Not many. The power button that turns it on. We have the mode button, which switches between the color mode and the brightness mode. So color mode, highlighted on the bottom there with the amber LED, allows you to adjust the color of the Kali150. So using the up and down buttons, you can set your desired power level. Brightness wise, minimum is 10%, which is what we're set at now. So we want to have a little comparison here as to power levels. So 10%, let's run this up to 100. With the barn doors, you can control the light much more so than you can do with our Nawada series, which are a soft panel LED with no barn doors. But really, with the size of this LED, it's perfect for those of you that are wedding photographers who are doing detail shots. If you're doing the rings, if you're doing the cake, if you're doing shoes, anything small, this is a great way to light. You just pull it out of your bag, pull it out of your pocket, set it up, take the shot. Okay, not to miss a beat, we have a set of colored gels. 4 colored special effects gels for use with the Kali150. We got blue, green, yellow, and red. Now if you look at the instructions, you can see that these gels are covered by a plastic coating, which has to be removed. And inserting this is quite easy. Of course, me saying quite easy and me actually doing it on camera are two different things. Look at that. Red gel in place. And Steve-O does not look like any more of an idiot than he usually does. As you can see, we have a nice red light there now. And great for doing highlights and detail shots. So let's play with this a little bit and see what we can do with the Kali150. Who likes Star Wars? I do. Who else there watching is a Star Wars geek? I'm going to take a few shots right now, and this is just using a Phottix S3. This is a general flood. I have a Fuji X-T1 that I'm shooting with here with a 35mm lens. This is set on aperture priority at f4. Welcome to my darkened studio. Okay, as you can see, we can add the light in here. And the great thing about LEDs is you can see exactly what you're going to get. Let's bring in our red gel and see what we can get that way. Okay, that's more the effect. So you get the nice red rim on the shoulders on the side of the head. Just to quickly sum up, Phottix Kali150 LED Studio Light. It's portable, battery operated, fits in your pocket, barn doors, color gels, super easy to use, and lots of fun. Talk to your Phottix rep for more info, or jump on over to www.phottix.com.